Welcome to Learn to Done TV. Where do you see animals? Beach, park, yard, zoo. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is zoo. What color is the sky on a clear day? Green, blue, yellow, red. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is blue. Which animal lives in water? Lion, giraffe, tiger, whale. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is whale. Which month has 28 or 29 days? March, April, January, February. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is February. What do plants need to grow? Toys, paint, sunlight, sugar. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is sunlight. Which one is a farm animal? Penguin, cow, lion, zebra. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is cow. Where does a bird live? Nest, cave, stable, nuts. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is nest. What is frozen water called? Steam, ice, juice, liquid. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is ice. What is the capital of India? Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, Chennai. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is New Delhi. Where do fish live? Water, sky, grass, land. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is water. What is the name of our planet? Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Earth. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is Earth. How many days are there in a week? 10, 30, 7, 5. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 7. Which vehicle flies in the sky? Car, boat, aeroplane, train. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is aeroplane. Which animal is known as the king of jungle? Lion, leopard, elephant, tiger. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is lion. Which part of the body helps you to see? Nose, eye, ear, tongue. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is eye. Which season is known for snow? Summer, rainy, spring, winter. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is winter. How many legs does a spider have? 4, 6, 8, 10. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 8. What is the opposite of day? Night, noon, evening, morning. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is night. Which is the tallest animal? Elephant, kangaroo, lion, giraffe. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is giraffe. What do bees make? Milk, butter, honey, sugar. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is honey.